Do the items in my Portland Leather Good mini crossbody fit in my new straw satchel crossbody bag? We're going to see if I can fit all of this into here. We'll see if it works. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me at the Babe Cave table. And yes, I wanted to see, I don't know that everything's going to fit from this bag to this bag, but we're playing around with my newest straw bag for summer, and I will link the last video of the unboxing and bagging down below for you to watch. And yeah, so let's play with my new bag and see what fits, and if the items in here, do we think that's gonna fit in here? Let's try it and see. So let me get all of this stuff out. Like I said, we're gonna see if this fits, and I want to move into my new bag, but let's take off. I thought the Lily Pulitzer charm really went so good with this Margot color. But I am done with this bag. I finally carried it. I love the mini crossbody from Portland Leather Goods. This is a handy bag, very comfortable crossbody. The leather smells amazing. If you haven't smelled Portland Leather Good, some of their bags have a stronger smell than others, but this one was a great bag. And now I want to move into my new cutie, the satchel crossbody. Here is my mess of things that would be in my bag, and I am doubting that all this is going to fit, but I just want to play around with it. I have different wallet and accessories that I'm going to put in this bag. So let's just see if the mini pochette fits in the straw bag. If you wanted to carry a mini pochette, it will fit in there. I believe this wallet's going to be too big, but man, this wallet's amazing from Dooney & Bourke. The small zip around wallet. It has everything you need in a wallet. I hate to change out of it, but yeah, it has the money holder. If you ever get a wallet from Dooney & Bourke, I suggest this one. It is very handy, has a pocket there, zipper back. Yeah, perfect. But I imagine this is going to be basically all you would be able to carry. So let's change into accessories that I would carry with my new bag. Alright, so I changed into this little black leather pouch for my lipsticks and contact case and my purse holder in there. So that's my little catch-all bag with lip products mainly. Cute little leather pouch. And I'm in this Coach cross grain leather, which I usually don't like, right? But this wallet is the only exception of the cross grain leather. It's black with the gold hardware, and it has this cute little charm for the zipper pocket that is adorable. So, and it is very handy. It has all your card slots, a money slot, and the coin slot. So this also is a great wallet, and it is called the Snap Card Case with Charm, in case you're interested in this wallet, because I always keep my tags most of the time, even for wallets. So yeah, this is a great wallet. But first, let's drop in my keys. And yeah, I did bling, I blinged out my keychain. I was just having a little fun there. And so that'll go at the bottom because I don't need to get them out. And let's start packing up some gum and Lifesavers. These are the Butter Rum Delicious Lifesavers. I'm gonna put my pin at the bottom. I'm really hoping that this fits everything that I want. My flashlight, of course. I need some frames for my diamond dart, so I am bringing my tape measure around so we can get those framed. I have my mirror. I have my perfume. This is Good Girl Blush, Carolina Herrera. It smells divine, but it to me is more winter, but I still have it in here. Well, my Amazon in there, my fan, some hand sanitizer. It's getting full. Might have to redo this. This is the catch-all. I think this is kind of like a Mary Poppins bag in a way. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to fit everything that I want. So there's my phone. I usually like to keep my mace on the side. Right there, so it's in there. My wallet is not going to fit. Okay, so I overpacked it, so let's try again. I'm gonna have to leave out my fan, but honestly, being on hormone replacement therapy has pretty much eliminated my hot flashes, so I don't need the fan as much as I used to. So that's a good thing, right? So let's put the pin at the bottom, the keys at the bottom, and flashlight down there. Like I said, I kind of want easy access to my mace, just in case. Put that up, standing up on the side. And we're going to put the catch-all at the bottom. Hand sanitizer from Dollar Tree. Still haven't found a new one. Put some butter rums in my pack of gum, mirror, tape measure, blush, perfume, phone, of course, because there's no outside pockets. And then that leaves my wallet again. Look how full this is. This is kind of a Mary Poppins bag because I really can shut it. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. It's so adorable. I love it. Here's an up close of the back. The straw they used is so nice. I'm wondering if the retail straw is the same as the outlet straw, because this is an outlet bag. Gold hardware. This is a Mary Poppins bag. I will probably have to downsize, but for now we're just going to leave it. I might use a card holder instead to not make it so bulky like it is. But then let's play with the charms I have. Well, since, I love lips and the smile, so let's try the Tom Wesselman Coach bag charm. What do we think of that? Do you like the lips? Do we like? Of course, this hardware is different than the outlet hardware. As you can see, the outlet hardware is like a light gold, and then the retail is a more brushed gold. So there's one option. I have my Temu chain from a while back. Supposed to be like, Chanel No. 5 dupe kind of thing. I just wanted to see how this would look. And the only way I can hook it is over here on the sides. It's probably too long. It's way too long for these two. So if you liked a longer necklace for your bag, but I don't think that's a go for me. If it was shorter, maybe, but. Then I wanted to try my latest Coach chain with the strawberry and the butterfly and the cherries right here. We'll put this one on and see what it looks like. It's very, very summer as well. So let's see. How does this chain look? Do we like this? Do we not like this? It fits pretty good. Comment down below your favorite option. And if I wanted to even add more. I'm usually not the type to add too many charms, but it could be done. Too much? Probably too much for me. But I do like these lips with it, though. I'm conflicted. So this is actually holds so much more than I thought. I probably downsized my wallet to a card holder to make things a little easier to get in and out of. But I am so impressed with this straw and the smooth black leather. It's a lightweight bag, so if you don't like a lot of heavy bags, this is very light until you add your things, of course, which I just made really heavier than I probably need to. But this chain looks really good with that straw as well. Or I could even do this. I saw someone else do this, and so I'm going to try it. They kind of went from side to side. What do we think of that? Do we like the side chain? What do we think of that? And then if I added the lips to it, it's probably too much still. But yeah, that could be, that's cute, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, this bag's so cute. You know, all that it's missing is feet on the bottom. Great bag. I know that a lot of people got it in the dark stone, but this combo here is so perfect for summer. Fits a lot, like I said. Love playing with this one. I'm still not sure what charms I'm going to go with on this. Tell me your favorites down below, and just so you can see, this thing fits so much. Oh, and this is overfilling for me, so I'm going to reduce this, but I wanted to show you also what it fits, because it's such a small bag, but yet mighty. It holds a lot. So I appreciate you for watching, subscribing, liking this video if you liked my playing with my new Coach straw bag here. And they call this color Toast and black, but I took off the strap. I still think I'm going to use it as a crossbody mostly because it's so light. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to hit the bell if you don't want to miss my future videos. And I appreciate everyone for stopping by my channel. And until next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.